I had a driver's side axle where the boots had broken apart and it was spewing grease and grit was getting inside. So I ordered a driver's side axle with the boots from Rock Auto for only $35 plus a $20 shipping charge, which was really not much more than just the boots alone. I used the air wrench to remove the 36 millimeter nut and then the six 15 millimeter bolts that were holding the axle in, and then I pulled it out.
Okay, a few hints on changing the driver's side axle, the left axle for a four-wheel drive 89 Chevy. They say you have to remove the shock absorber and maybe the tie rod end, but I did it without doing that. I just put it through that space right there. I undid those six 15 millimeter bolts and then dropped it down through there and pushed it through here. And this is the new one, as you can see. Anyway, that's all there really is to it. And this one had an ABS sensing gear, but this vehicle doesn't have that, so it doesn't matter. There's plenty of clearance for it to just spin anyway. Anyhow, that's it. And I tightened it to probably 180 foot-pounds for the 36 millimeter nut, and the 15 millimeter bolts are tightened to about 59 foot-pounds. Okay, that's it. The only other thing I had to do was I did take off the uh, shield skid plate that's used for four-wheel drive rock climbing to protect the differential, and that allowed me to be enough room to get that out. And I actually turned the wheel to the left slightly in order to have it come out that way. Anyway, that's all there is to it.